Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Really interesting problem today. We need to simplify this expression. We have 32 all over 243 raised to the power minus 4/5. Okay, how can we work with this interesting problem? Looks like a hard problem, but we can easily find it. Take a look closely. How can we simplify this? First of all, 32 is a really good number because 32 on the first side is not good number, but we can write it as 2 times 2. We have 4, 8, 16 and 32. So it looks like 2 to the 5th power, okay? Okay, in 243 it looks like a hard number because it looks like a number that we cannot express it in a different way, but we can write it as 3 times 3. We have 9, 27, 81 and 243. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as well we have 3 to the 5th power. So I hope you understand this step. So we can easily change this 243 as 3 to the 5th and 32 as 2 to the 5th power. So let's do this. What we have? We have parentheses. In parentheses we have 2 to the 5th power dividing by 3 to the 5th power and of all raised to the power minus 4/5. So we just change it in another way. So write this 32 as 2 to the 5th and 243 as 3 to the 5th power. Okay, let's go next. Next we need to know a really good property, Okay, we have the next property. If we have a to the power c dividing by b to the power c, we can write it as a over b raised to the power c. So using simple words, we have different bases, same powers. We can write it in one parenthesis using these same powers. And right here we have the same situation. So we can write it as parentheses. In parentheses we have 2 over 3 to the power 5th and raised to the power minus 4/5. Okay, we use this property inside these parentheses. Okay, and right now we need the next really good property. If we have a raised to the power b raised all to the power c, we can easily multiply it, a to the power b times c. So we can easily multiply these powers. And right here we have 5 and we have minus 4/5. So we can multiply it and we will cancel our parentheses. So we will have 2 over 3 raised to the power 5 times minus 4/5. What about multiplying? Right here we have 5 in our numerator and in our denominator, so we can easily cancel these fifths and we have 2 over 3 raised to the power minus 4. And right now we need to know a really good property as well. So as you can see, we have a lot of properties right here. First property, first rule, second rule right here, and the third rule will be right here. If we have a to the power minus b, we can write it as 1 over a to the power b. So we can easily bring our b in our denominator and we'll have it the plus sign. So let's use this rule right here. Swapping this number right here, this right here, and we will have plus as a power. We will have 3 half raised to the power 4. Okay, and the last step. As you can see, this is a fourth property, because if we have situation like that, we can use in a reverse way this property. We need to raise both denominator and denominator to this 4. So this number to the 4th and this to the 4th. We have 3 to the 4th over 2 to the 4th, which is equal to 3 to the 4th, 81 over 16. And this is our answer. Really interesting problem. If you still have any question, write a question in comment. Write any comment as well to helps to improve my video, to make a new content. It helps me a lot and it inspires me a lot. If it's not hard to you, it's really important and I enjoy it a lot. I appreciate it a lot if you enjoy my content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.